Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Nick from Prestige External Cleaning. Okay, so today this is a block pave patio clean. It's pink or terracotta, I don't know, it looks pink to me. Just your normal standard clean, pressure wash, soft wash, and then resand. The customer was over the moon with this. They've had this done previously. The previous guys never managed to remove the black spot. I've managed to remove all the black spot for her and she was over the moon. So she gave me a humongous tip and this is a good one. I hope you enjoy. Cheers. Okay, so first of all I'll start off with the 21-inch flat surface cleaner. Okay, so this little section where this pot is sitting with the bamboo, I don't really know why it's like that. I didn't ask, so I can't really explain why, but it's a little bit odd, but I'm just going to work around it as best I can. That's the flat surface cleaner finished with. Time to get the edges clean using the turbo nozzle. Those of you that watch me on a regular basis will know that I love to use a turbo nozzle to get a nice clean line along the grass edge, and you can see how effective it is just from this clip. Now it's time for a rinse down, paying special attention to the flower borders because they got splashed while I was using the turbo nozzle. Okay, so now that's been rinsed down, we can see what's needed in regards to the black spot. I mean, it's not great, but I've seen worse. So yeah, a nice soft wash will sort this out, no problem. Okay, so I've decided not to use the XJet along this little path next to the wooden fence due to a high risk of causing staining from the hypo. Also, the little path next to the grass and the flower borders, it's quite thin, so I don't want to risk using the XJet and splashing all the grass and the plants. So much better, in my opinion, to attack that area with a brush, and then the larger section in front of the house, behind the house, you can I can use an XJet and get that done quite quickly. A little bit of agitation with the brush to help shift those spots. Okay, time for a soft wash rinse down. Okay, so it's a nice warm day. That's had a few hours to dry. Let's get this kiln dry sand back in. Okay, so at this point it started to rain. Typical English weather. Can't carry on. The sand will just clump together and it won't go down the joints. So I packed it in for the day. Okay, so it's the following day. I've managed to get back in the afternoon. I'm just going to give this area a quick going over with the blower, and then I'll get the rest of this sand in. Okay, job's done. Job's a good one. Happy days.